Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime. Sports athletics is where we begin. Two-time double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson headlines a host of Jamaicans down to compete at the Eugene Diamond League meet, the Prefontaine Classic in Oregon, USA on Saturday. Thompson will be making her season debut when she lines up in the women's 100 meters. She will battle the likes of American world champion Shakira Richardson, Ivorian Marie-Josée Toulouse, and St. Lucia's Julian Alfred. Thompson personal best of 10.54 seconds for the 100 meters was set on the same track in Eugene at the 2021 edition of the meet. Now, other Jamaicans down to compete include world champion Danielle Williams in the women's 100-meter hurdles, where she'll face reigning Olympic champion Jasmine Camacho Quinn of Puerto Rico and the 60-meter hurdles world record holder Devin Charlton of the Bahamas. While Olympic champion Hansel Parchment will battle the American world champion Grant Holloway in the men's 110-meter hurdles. A total of 12 Jamaicans are slated to compete at the meet. Now, stand-in captain Brandon King says playing at home had its advantage as the West Indies scored a 28-run win over South Africa in the first of their three-match T20 international series at Savannah Park on Thursday. Centre-back the Windies posted 175 for 8 of their 20 overs. They were led by man of the match King, who smashed 79 of 45 balls, including 6 fours and 6 sixes. Kyle Mayers also made 34 and Roston Chase 32 not out. Otniel Bartman took 3 for 26 and Andil Falaqueo 3 for 28 for the Proteas. Now, in reply, the Proteas were dismissed for 147 in 19.5 overs. Ariza Hendricks top scoring with 87 for the visiting team. Gudakesh Moti, he took 3 for 25 and Matthew Ford 3 for 37 for the Windies as they took a 1 lead in the series.
Obviously, the most important thing is the win, so I'm happy for that. We played really well. I think, obviously, I have the advantage of knowing the conditions. This is my home, so I know that it's the easiest time to bat when the ball is new, so you have to try and get the most runs at the beginning. You could see it in both innings that it was difficult to score in the back end. So we knowing that we got that good start and end up with a competitive total, and then we bowl really well.
The second T20 International will be played on Saturday also at Savannah Park. Some football news now. Jamaica's Reggae Boys will begin their League A Group B campaign in the 2024-2025 CONCACAF Nations League on September 6 against Cuba at the National Stadium. The dates for the fixtures were announced on Thursday. They'll play 2 matches in September, as they're also scheduled to play away to Honduras on Tuesday, September 10. The Jamaicans will also play away to Nicaragua on Thursday, October 10, before hosting Honduras in a return leg match 4 days later, October 14, at the National Stadium. The Reggae Boys, who finished third in the 2023-2024 Nations League finals, are among 12 teams who have been split into 2 groups of 6. Each to contest League A in a Swiss-style league system, with each team playing a total of 4 games. After the group stage play in September and October, the first and second place finishers of each group would make progress to the quarterfinals, where they'll join the 4 top-ranked League A teams: Mexico, USA, Panama, and Canada. And Reggae Boys captain Andre Blake is set to continue his illustrious career at MLS outfit Philadelphia Union after signing a 2-year contract extension with a club option up to 2027. 33-year-old Blake was selected by Philadelphia first overall at the 2014 MLS Super Draft, the first goalkeeper ever to be taken first overall in the history of the event. Blake is also a 3-time MLS Goalkeeper of the Year. The former Glenmuir High and Clarendon College standout is expected to be in goal for the Reggae Boys World Cup qualifiers against the Dominican Republic and Dominica on June 6 and 9, respectively. And that is the final whistle, and I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.